In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a pulley on your Ford Focus. It's located on the right side. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt for the coolant reservoir. Remove the bolt. Pull the plastic lines out of the clip. There's a clip in the back holding the coolant reservoir. We're going to use a flat blade screwdriver. Get behind this tab. Pop it up and slide the reservoir over to the side. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 4 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts for the splash shield. There's one more right behind it. Remove the bolt and remove the splash shield. Using a 15mm socket, we're going to get on the tensioner pulley. Pull the tension off of the pulley and remove the belt. Remove the belt. Let the tensioner slide back. Using a 13mm wrench, loosen the bolt for the pulley. Remove the pulley and the bolt. Install the bolt and the washer onto the pulley, and install the pulley onto the tensioner. Get the bolt started by hand. Get the bolt snug. Using a 15mm wrench, we're going to hold the tensioner as we use our 13mm wrench to torque the bolt to 18 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Install the belt down into the car. I'm going to put it around the power steering pulley. Get it started there. I'm also going to try and work it around the AC. Pull the belt over. Put it around the smooth idler tensioner. Get it up and around the alternator. Get it down around the tensioner. Push it up towards the water pump. Get it around the water pump pulley. Pull it back. Get it around the condenser. Make sure the belt is sitting correctly in all of the pulleys. Release the tension on the tensioner. As you do this, pull the belt around the crankshaft. Install the belt. Be sure it's riding on the ribbed pulleys. Be sure it's sitting correctly on the flat pulleys. Install the splash shield. Get the bolt started. Snug them down. Install the wheel. Install the lug nuts. Get them started by hand. Snug the nuts down. Torque the lug nuts to 94 foot-pounds in a cross pattern. Install the coolant tank. Be sure in the back that it sits down on the tab. Get the bolt started in the front. Snug it down. Install the plastic lines into the clip.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.